you are a lover of a mid-length, wavy, realistic, beautiful style, I can't wait to show you this one today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Andy. Today I get to show you a fairly new release from Estetica. This is Arlo and this is in the color R812. So many things about wigs is really a personal thing, whether it is permatease or it's the density or the length. And it just made me think about that I came across a reel that I made on Estetica Mellow. And in that reel, I heard me say that I felt like that Mellow was a long style. So that is a personal thing because I have worn a pixie for so many years in my own hair that I thought that Mellow was a long style. But it's funny because I just heard someone the other day call it a shorter style. So just remember that when someone says it has light permatease or it's a light density, for someone else it might be a medium density with medium permatease in it. So just remember that so many things about wig reviews are personal to that person that is reviewing that particular wig. I just wanted to share that with you because I know that shopping for wigs online is not the easiest thing in the world. And you know what? They're investments. They are not inexpensive. But that's why you want to watch wig reviews and you want to watch the full wig reviews. I know sometimes we get caught up in the reel world, like watching just reels of 60-second clips of videos. But really it is so important to get all the information before you make that investment into a wig, getting all the information that you can by watching the full wig reviews. So I hope that that helps you when I give you little tips of advice. And I do want to make this process of shopping for wigs a little bit easier for you. And I do hope that that helps. But I do want to start off and thank TL Wigs for sending me this gorgeous style so that I can review this for you today. It is absolutely beautiful and I can't wait to share everything about it with you today. TL Wigs is a wonderful online retailer. They also have a private and a very active Facebook support group. On that support group, you're going to find over 4,000 members that are there to support you in your own wig journey. You're going to find announcements of sales and giveaways. You're going to be able to ask questions if you have questions about how to care for your wig. It is a wonderful place to be, so we hope to see you there. And after you watch this review, if you like what you see today with Estetica Arlo, I'm going to have a link down in the description box below that will take you directly over to tlwigs.com. You can use the code ANDI35 at checkout and you're going to save 35%. And I will also be sure to leave you a link to the TL Wigs Facebook support group. So without further ado, let me give you a spin and show you Arlo from all sides and show you how beautiful this is. I just love these loose waves in it. It's kind of like a spiral wave or a beachy wave. So pretty, and this is regular synthetic fiber. So for those of you that don't like the maintenance of heat-friendly fibers, here you go. You've got a mid-length, wavy style with regular synthetic fibers, and this is just beautiful. And just to show you where this hits me, I consider this a mid-length style, but I am 8 inches from my hairline to my chin, and from my chin to my clavicle bone, I'm 5 inches. So know your measurements so you can compare your measurements to mine and where Arlo might fall on you. But let me get in and show you how beautifully these fibers move, regular synthetic, and it does feel like that we are living in the land of everything coming out as a new release is heat friendly. So it's just really nice to have these regular synthetic fibers on these beautiful styles as an option given to us. And there are 2 categories of synthetic. You've got regular synthetic and you've got heat-friendly synthetic. You need to know the difference before you make a purchase. Both regular synthetic and heat-friendly synthetic, the styles are baked into these wigs. That is to me the beauty of synthetic wigs. The biggest advantage of a regular synthetic wig like this is you're not going to have the maintenance of putting heat on those fibers to keep the end smooth, to keep the nape smooth. You can take it off and put it on the next day and it's ready to go. You can comb it out just to make sure it doesn't get tangles in it. And I think the biggest disadvantage of a regular synthetic wig would be that sometimes the fibers can come with a little bit of shine on it that you don't find on a heat-friendly synthetic. If you find that your regular synthetic wig has a little bit of shine on it, which this is straight from the box, and I don't think that this has much shine on it at all. I think this looks just like a good healthy head of hair. But if you wanted to just use a little bit of dry shampoo, any dry shampoo, it takes the shine down and just kind of dulls that shine. So now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of heat friendly. Number one, the advantage is a lot of times you don't have the shine on a heat friendly synthetic that you would on a regular synthetic. Not always, but sometimes. And then the other advantage is that it does mimic the actual movement of natural hair. So a little bit better than regular synthetic. Again, not always, and sometimes that's a personal decision, but I think that this actually moves as regular synthetic. Look how that moves. I mean, it's just a personal decision on what you like. If you like heat-friendly fibers because you like to curl it, you like to straighten it, you like to have that ability to do that with your wigs, then heat-friendly would be the way for you. But a disadvantage of heat-friendly is that you will have to know when you purchase that, especially if you get a style that is longer than chin length, that it hits your collar and your clothes, you need to be prepared that you're going to have to apply regular maintenance to those fibers to keep them smooth and in the best condition. Let me put up here a stock photo for Arlo, just so you can see what it looks like on the Estetica model compared to what it looks like on me. One thing I will say is that Arlo is going to need a little bit of steam on the bangs because these pieces right here kind of want to come down on my face a little bit. See, if I bend down, like if I'm going out to lunch or shopping or something, I don't want that. I don't want to have to deal with that. But that is very common with synthetic wigs. You can put a little heat on that with some steam and just be really careful to stay away from the lace front. You don't want to distort your lace. So you can just put a little bit of steam there or take a hot air brush just in that area. Just kind of train it to go back off of your face a little bit. I did mention earlier Estetica Mellow, and I'm going to pop a picture of me wearing Mellow just to see what you think about it being a sister style to Arlo. I think that it definitely could be a sister style, and I want to share with you what I think the main difference is. I think they're about the same length, but Arlo has more of a defined beachy wave curl in it. And to me, Mellow has more choppy layers, choppy waves in it. But I definitely think that they could be sister styles. Both of them are really pretty styles. And I know Mellow is really popular, and this is actually a fairly new release. I think this was released about a year ago. This is January of 2026 now. As far as the density of Arlo, I think that this is an average density wig, but on the low end of average. So I don't think it's a light density, but I do think it's a medium density on the lower end of it because it does have Permatease in it. I can get in there with my fingers and get a little bit of volume in there built up if I want to, or you can tame it down. The Permatease is very well done, very lightly done, but it is on this cap, so I want you to know that. I just love how soft these fibers are. Really move so naturally, very, very pretty. And the cap construction for Arlo is we have this extended lace front. Look how well this is done. It runs down into the ear tabs, here to here. Really nicely done there. It also has a left mono part that goes all the way back to the crown. Very well done. It has closed ear tabs with stays. We have an open wefted cap. We have an extended nape with stays, and we have hook adjusters. And I'm going to let you know that Estetica wigs typically run very, very big on me. On my Estetica Jet, I actually have to crisscross those adjusters to get it to work for me. But I love that wig so much, and that's what you do when you love a wig. You kind of make it work. But I wanted to take the cap off and just show you where I have my adjusters with a 21¼ inch head circumference. That's where I have the hook adjusters on this cap. So it does run smaller on me. Like I said, my Estetica Jet, I am putting them in the same pocket or I'm crisscrossing them sometimes. It really just depends on how tight I want it. But just know, if you have a larger head circumference, and that's one of the reasons you love Estetica caps is because they fit you well, just know that this does run a little bit smaller on me, but it fits me really well with a 21¼ inch head circumference. I'm going to shake this out, pop it on, just show you how easy it is to put this on and have beautiful hair just like that. Isn't that so pretty? Just love these waves. I can't wait to style this and show you some different ways to wear Arlo. The measurements for Arlo are, we have this front piece of 9½ inches, and like I said, I'm 8½ inches from my hairline to my chin. The sides are 8, so we do have some layering in Arlo. The crown is 10 inches, and the nape is 7. And Arlo weighs 3.7 ounces. So I always want to make sure that I include in my videos what I did to a wig. And so what I did to Arlo was actually nothing other than shaking it by the nape, which I always do. I never put a wig on my head out of the box that I don't give it a good shake and wake it up. I rake it with my fingers. I usually spritz it with some water, and then I just kind of get in there with my fingers, fluff it up, get it away from the cap. And that's really all I had to do with this. This really was a pretty style straight from the box. Estetica Arlo is available in 14 colors, and today I'm going to talk to you about this gorgeous color. This is R812, just a really natural, beautiful color. Let me get in so you can see it a little better. But it is a golden brown blended with a light brown. Isn't that so pretty? And I'm also going to show this to you in some outdoor lighting. And if you want to get yourself an Arlo, just go down in that description box below where I will have a link that'll take you directly over to tlwigs.com. You can use the code ANDI35 and save 35%. I hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you for joining me for this review, and I will see you in the next video. Click here to watch my review of the beautiful and popular style from Envy, Charlotte.